Yo, what is up guys, Serios here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to generate over $12,000 online at 15. So it's going to be pretty interesting way. You probably haven't heard about it. This is not no Amazon FBA, no Instagram marketing, social media agency, anything like that. You know, it's pretty simple, and yeah, you don't need any skills really, no copywriting or what else not. So yeah, I can explain you everything. So first of all, let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you everything. It's related to this website actually. I believe I have a shirt over there as well, and cap as well. I'm not sponsored by them, but yeah, I was just able to get these gifts from them as well. So yeah, let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how it all works. Alright guys, so let me explain you everything in detail. So it is called CPA marketing, which stands for cost per acquisition, I believe, or cost per action marketing. It doesn't matter. So pretty much how it works is you are bringing traffic / leads to advertisers and get paid a commission. So, and explaining in simple terms, you are bringing people to some kind of offer, or you get people to do something and you get commission for that. So maybe input their email address or do some sort of action, buy something or download something. And now you might think like this is very similar to affiliate marketing, which it pretty much is affiliate marketing, but with this website, I believe OGAds supports that. This is very cool that they actually can pay you per app installs. So I don't know about other websites, but CPA marketing, you can get paid for app installs. So what does that mean? It's pretty much you go ahead and you get someone to install an application from Google Play Store or App Store, doesn't matter. And when they install that application, you get paid like 20 cents to $1. So that is just insane, and that was how I was able to make about $12,000 in total, over 10K definitely. And it was very simple, because I can also show you how I did it. And yeah, like literally you can just call your friends, or you know, get yourself and download the application. You just get paid immediately a commission. And why this is way better than affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing usually the person has to buy something and then you get paid a commission, which you will get paid bigger commissions, but like it's way harder for you if you aren't experienced in marketing or anything to get somebody to buy something from you. So it's way easier for you to just, you know, get somebody to download an app. Like they don't have to pay for anything. The person just has to download an application and you get paid. So that is the beauty of CPA marketing and the website OGAds. So then you just have to create a landing page, which means a website, or get a pre-built one from OGAds with your locker on it. So there are many websites, like I believe CPA Build as well, and CPA Grip maybe, I don't know, but pretty much with any of these CPA marketing websites, you can go ahead and make an account there and create your own locker. And once you do that, you will be able to import it on your website, and you don't need to worry if you don't have any website building skills, because you don't need to build anything. What I did personally, I ripped off other people's websites or just used default ones from OGAds. I used mainly OGAds, but I've used also like CPA Build, and they're also pretty good, I guess. So yeah, it doesn't matter which one you used. Like I'm not affiliated with OGAds, but you know, it's just my recommendations because I've used them personally. So also the next thing is then you just use social media. What I did, we could probably find some other creative ways to do that, but I used YouTube, Instagram, etc. to bring traffic to your website. So you can use YouTube, Instagram, etc. to bring traffic to your websites, and then when somebody goes ahead and installs an application from your locker, from your website pretty much, then you just get paid a commission. And like, let me bring up my calculator real quick. So let's imagine the average would be 50 cents, and you get like, I don't know, it would be 30 would be pretty easy. You get already $15 for that. Whoops. 30 people and you make $15. Like, it's pretty simple math. You get 20 cents, which could be like the lowest. You get even 100 people to download an application, which isn't that hard, trust me. You already get paid $20 for that, so yeah, you can definitely scale this up, and extra $20-30 a day definitely isn't bad. It is, especially if you're young, that is a shitload of money. So yeah, definitely can go ahead and do that. So let me switch and show you exactly how the website I used, which is OGAds, and what you can do with exactly and how to use it, and pretty much yeah. Alright, so let me now show you the website I used, which is called OGAds.com, and let me sign in real quick. So pretty much this will be like a overall broad tutorial which you can do, and yeah, this will be like a broad tutorial. Let me know actually in the comments down below if you would like me to show you a video of detailed tutorial how you can do this, like step by step what I did, and because this will be like a bird's eye view, 30,000 foot view, what you need to do. So first of all, you would need to get approved for any of these CPA websites. I believe you could go with OGAds because it's like it was pretty easy for me to get approved, even I had no experience. So once you go here and once you get approved, there are like multiple options. You can create a locker, and pretty much what a locker is like a, let me show you, content locker. It's where, you know, people get directed to this page and they will be thrown up like premium content. Unlock, download an application to unlock this content, and yeah, and then they just click on one of these and download the application, and then they will get the thing that you are offering, maybe. So pretty much yeah, what you can do is create one. Let me show you how you can do this. So you just type in here, for example, something. So what you can do is offer, like, I don't know, free Clash of Clans gold, which is very, I wouldn't recommend doing that because I believe it's definitely soaked out and milked out. But so like free gold, whatever, I don't even remember what it was. Like now you can just install 2 apps to get your gold sent to your account, something like this, pretty much. Sorry for my loud keyboard, but yeah, and then you just do the same on mobile. Pretty self-explanatory here, and yeah, you just create a locker, and then you will get a link to your locker. So yeah, I can show you. Here's one I created for myself. Go ahead and preview this. This is how it looks, and here you will get the link. You just click whichever domain, for example, verify, and here's the link, so you can send this to anybody, and then yeah, if they download an application from here, you will get a commission. So you won't send a naked link like this to anybody because nobody will convert, and it will be very hard for people to download. So you would want to create a website. So I don't know, let's try to see. Free Netflix accounts generator, maybe we'll find something like that. I doubt so. Free Tinder gold, maybe there's some websites like this here, I believe. So let's see, this will probably be a CPA website, I believe. Yep. So you see, you would make a website like this, something like this. It looks so friendly, user friendly. You just enter your username, platform, whatever, and yeah, and then you just click connect. It's connecting, it's just showing you, it's actually not doing anything. This is just a website created like this, and yeah, you would make something like this, and you don't need to make it yourself. You can just easily take website, like you can even take this one, steal it, and you know, just apply it to your. And yeah, definitely let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full video showing you how you can do this, and pretty much yeah, step by step how you can do this, how I did it, and create a working website like this yourself. Just click generate, and it is going to send you to the locker that we just created. So let me show you guys. yeah, human verification, and complete any offer below. So here comes the CPA part. Now they complete any type of offer here, and you get paid, and that's pretty much it. And in the end, the one who's completing usually don't get anything, but yeah, that's basically how you can get people to download apps, install applications, and you get paid a commission for that. So it's as simple as that. And yeah, the one thing that I like about OGAds, I believe there was, you could go here somewhere, landing page request. I believe you had to ask them once you register for landing page request, and here are a bunch of landing pages you can request, and then they will give this to you for free with everything installed. So that's why I like OGAds. This is a working website. You just send this link, you probably get a better domain, you send this to your friends, or you put it up on a YouTube video or something, and when somebody, it's a fully ready website, and people can use this, and they will get redirected to your locker, and you will get paid commission for that. So pretty much that's that. And yeah, it's like a basic overview of how this all works. Hopefully you understood something, but yeah, it could be overwhelming at start. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial. I will show exactly which buttons to click to set something like this up and start earning money passively, because this is passive income pretty much, because you won't need to do anything. Once you set this up, the traffic, aka people, is going to start coming to your website. Sorry for that. People is going to start coming to your website, and you will start earning commission. You can start earning money like this. Haven't done anything in such a long time, but yeah, it's pretty much how it works. So let me know down in the comments if you would like to see a full tutorial video on how to do this. Alright, so this is pretty much the overall of what you need to do, and let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see a detailed tutorial how to do this, pretty much what to do, what to click to set something like this up that will be able to generate you money passively. And yeah, like, it's passive income. Once people are coming to your website, you just sit back and it will come passively. So yeah, that's something you can start with, which is easy. You don't need really any skills. I did this at 15, was able to generate like over 10k, probably even more. I don't even know exactly, but yeah, currently I'm 17, actually just turned, it's my birthday today. So yeah, something for you guys to think about, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full video, and definitely subscribe, like, share this video if you like more videos like this and more insight on ways you can generate income, or any other advice you would like to learn from me. So yeah, subscribe, like, and peace. I'm out.